Hangouts hides itself in system tray. For the past week or so I've been having an issue with the Hangout system tray icon hiding itself. Normally I have it show all the time so I can easily click it, but it seems no matter what I do, within a day or so it's hiding again. When it hides, I click Customize in the system tray and select Show Icon and Notifications for both instances of Hangouts that show up in the list. However, after a day or so it seems to always revert one of them to Only Show Notification as shown in the attached screenshot. Changing it back fixes the problem, but only temporarily. How can I get Hangouts to always show in the system tray? Edit, looks like it may not be just Hangouts. Just had battle.net do the same thing.
Icons show up in the system tray when an application is turned on or it makes a notification. Make sure that the taskbar has enough room to hold all your applications. The system may decide to filter your system tray if there's not enough space. Setting your taskbar to default options, icon size, and others may resolve your issues. Notifications are generally generated by the system. If an application can hijack your system tray by making huge pop-ups, update notification that slow your computer and other similar actions, you should remove it. A few programs have their own system notifications like Steam and Skype. Changing the notification settings in the icon tray have no effect.
Apparently there can be two issues. The first one is a privilege error. Shameless copy pasting. Program files, x86, /google/chrome/application right-click chrome.exe properties compatibility change settings for all users and tick run this program as an administrator. Or this can be a profile error. Can you try it with a different profile? Hope this helps.
It looks like this problem is caused by the installer of Hangouts and cannot be fixed except by repeatedly resetting the notifications data after every update of Hangouts. You could of course complain about it in the right forums, but in the meantime, I found a couple of programs that may be used as a workaround, as detailed below. A C program can be downloaded from the article. New Windows Tray Notification Manager is here. The advantage of this program is that it has both GUI and command line capabilities. Calling the program without parameters will display all the tray programs and their names, which are not always that easy to figure out. The command line can be used to reset the notifications for a program. Warning: I don't use Chrome, so its name below is just a placeholder. As the tray icon data is read by Explorer when Windows starts and stays in memory. The above changes might seem to have no effect. One needs to restart Explorer. For example by a batch.bat file such as To ensure that this is always done when logging to Windows, you can set this script as a logon script. Doing that is described in the article. Forcing notification area icons to always show in Windows 7 or Windows 8, which also contains an alternative to the above Tray Manager program in the form of a PowerShell script, in case Tray Manager does not work for you.
After extensive playing around with different settings, I was never able to get anything to work. It seems that any application that is updated is automatically relegated to the hidden part of the system tray, regardless of the old settings for the application. However, Google released a Chrome app for Hangouts, as opposed to the old extension, that removes it from the system tray entirely. Using the app, Hangouts now has a proper taskbar icon, and behaves more like a native extension. I know it doesn't exactly fix the original issue, but it removed the issue entirely for me.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.